GoPro Hero 9, 680 Singapore dollars. More fake news from Fishycomics. Are you interested in a Hero 9? This is shot with a DJI Osmo Action. Dual screen. Front screen, rear screen, GoPro Hero 9 finally coming out. Do you think GoPro Labs and webcam are going to be together in the Hero 9? And do you think it's going to have hypersmooth 3.0, then 2.0, fancy name? And do you think it's going to have anything better, more features? Not going to be a 1-inch sensor, and it's not going to be 5.2K. It's going to have the Sony sensor, and it's going to have just the bugs and issues like it normally has. There's going to be many users out there complaining about, oh, I dunked my camera, oh, my back screen is poor, and I lost the audio sound, and the media mod's got issues. The LED light is stuck. Well, GoPro, they are downsized 20% of their force. The CEO took a remainder no pay, and sure enough, customer service is non-existent, and they don't work for you. Look at this. I'm adjusting color if I move. Now, am I going to get a GoPro Hero 9? Fake news. There's no such thing right now as a GoPro Hero 9. Maybe in October, Columbus Day, there will be a GoPro Hero 9. And another thing that GoPro has said, that they're modeling to the consumer this time. Well, people already out there with the covered up GoPro with the skin, and they're taking their videos, and they are going to have to present them to GoPro, and GoPro is going to evaluate and say, we accept that. And in my Arsenal book, I don't think I need to have another bug and issue GoPro. My GoPro, it went back. It's being warranted as we speak, and it's delayed because of a back order. And GoPro doesn't tell people, and they don't even have a repair center. They don't have a list of repairs of what they do. It's either they grant you a warranty or they decline you a warranty, and they string you along with the warranty by saying it's no longer in the claims department, it's in the investigation department, and it takes forever to get out of the investigation department. And I don't think I want to deal with a company that just simply doesn't work for you. They don't work for me. That's not the word I wanted to use. I like Sony. If I got a problem, I get with Sony. No questions asked, they take care of you. As an example. So more fake news from Fishycomics. I'm basically out of here. I said my piece, and I hope to see a GoPro Hero 9 in my arsenal. But I have mixed emotions because of you.